Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I've got my water. I've got my BOXYCHARM, and today is going to be, what month is it? October BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on. I don't know if any of you guys are as addicted to drinking ice water as I am. I literally drink ice water 24/7. Like, my body craves it. I'm sorry if this side of my hair bothers you. It's a little fluffy. So I have my base makeup on, so I might look a little bit weird, but it's because we kind of have like a full face of products to try out in this BOXYCHARM, so let's just do it. So again, they kind of switched to this trifold. It looks like this was a permanent addition. This is the Alter Ego box for October. I'm wondering if it's going to be like a little bit Halloween-y. We're going to start with eyeshadows. There's an eyeshadow palette from Pur Cosmetics in here. This is the Midnight Masquerade palette. It's a 10-piece face palette. I think it has eyes and like cheek and bronzer or maybe highlighter in it. This is $38, so that already is more expensive than the price of the box that we're paying, which is $21. I'm so happy to be filming a BOXYCHARM video. I feel like it's been so long. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm sorry, you guys. I actually got this BOXYCHARM 2 days ago, and I'm not filming it until now because I didn't know that it came. Sorry. So this is the palette. $38 seems like a lot for a Pure. Oh. It looks like a Tarte palette. Hold on, you guys can't see it yet. I'm taking off the peelies. Doesn't this remind you of like, at least this part, doesn't it remind you of the Tarte Cosmetics like blush palettes? And then I just dug my nail into this side. But it has 3 kind of crazy eyeshadow colors, which I'm kind of annoyed about because I was trying to go for a simple look today. There's 6 eyeshadow colors in here, and they're absolutely not something that you can create a full look with. There's only 1 matte shade, and it's rather dark. It's like a dark brick, and the rest are shimmery color shades. So this is definitely not a palette that you're going to use to create looks. It's just not. In my opinion, you're going to need another palette to use with it, so I'm going to have to grab another palette. I've been really loving using the Anastasia Soft Glam lately. See, we didn't get any brushes this month in BOXYCHARM. I like it when we get brushes, but I'm going to take the Sigma Diffused E38 brush. I'm going to take a transition shade from Soft Glam. This is called Orange Soda, and I'm just going to work this into my crease rather messily because this is kind of like the perfect transition shade for my skin tone, so I don't really have to worry about it. I put on Self Tanner last night. You guys have to let me know if I look more tan. I think I do. I use TanCeuticals, by the way. I'm pretty sure it's expensive. My sister got it for me for my birthday. I definitely like it better than Loving Tan. It's just more natural looking and it wears off much more naturally rather than how Loving Tan just like blotches off and peels off. Well, it doesn't peel off, but you know what I mean. Okay, so we have a transition shade on. Now, let's see what we're going to do with our Pur Cosmetics palette. I think you guys could have probably guessed I'm going to go right for that matte shade right there. I'm going to be taking a little dense e.l.f. brush. Oh, there's a streak of self-tan for you. But that's my own fault, not the self-tanners. I'm going to take this packed on to a dense e.l.f. brush. And I'm going to start packing it into the outer corner. First impression, I kind of like it because it's not, I don't really like shadows that are like ridiculously dramatic. And this looks like a nice wash of color, which means easy blending, which means you do your makeup faster, which means I'm happy. However, I actually think it's a little less pigmented than I would like, so I'm going to get some more on my brush and kind of build it up a little bit. Oh, and it's working. It's building up nice. It's definitely a soft shadow. It's definitely easily blendable, but I will say the pigment is lacking a little bit to me. Like, this is supposed to be, I don't know, I mean, to me, I thought it looked a little bit maroon, but I guess it is more of a true, like, a brown with a little hint of red, so maybe I was just expecting more color because I don't know why my brain thought that this was like a maroon. It's really not, though. It's really not. It's more of like a dark brown with a little hint of red. I'm going to go back over with my blending brush and just kind of blend over the edges a little bit. It's a nice color. I don't know what the hell we're going to do now, though, because this is what we're left with in this palette. Like, what? No. Just no. No. I'm going to swatch this blue shade called Showtime. It looks really, like, these are nice shades. They really are, and they look like fantastic quality. It's just like, no. Like, if anything, I'd use this green one right here, which is called Mask Off. But I wasn't trying to wear dramatic makeup today. I really wasn't. Unless I do the charcoal black one. That doesn't really go with this crease shade either, though. Bro. Oh, wait. You know what might work, I guess? Ah! Okay. Maybe this purple will work. I wish it was a little bit more muted. Do I have to wear purple? You guys, I'm such a little whiner. I just don't want to, I wanted to have natural makeup today. Sometimes I'm such a whiny little YouTuber. Like, I'm like, guys, like, I'm wearing this shade for you. Like, I'm going to be wearing green eyeshadow all day for you. So appreciate me, but no, please don't. I'm just being annoying. I am just addicted to my brown nude eye looks. I can't freaking help it. I look better with the brown nude eye looks too, but I'll do it for you and complain about it the whole time. Okay, sorry. I'm taking a Sigma F75 concealer brush with the shade on. This is the shade Mask Off, is this green shade. And I'm going to start packing this onto the lid. It's a little glittery for my liking. I'm going to pack it on to make it more dramatic because it's like, we might as well. We're already wearing it. It builds up really nicely. So this is a little bit different. This isn't your typical shimmer shadow. I feel like it's a little bit glittery. This is actually really gorgeous, you guys. I love it. I love it. I know somebody's gonna comment, she's complaining. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. You guys, this is such a fantastic quality shadow. I know I said the glitter, I might not like it, but I do, because it's not actually glittery. It's more metallic. It's not glittery. Like, you look up close, there is not glitter in it at all. It's metallic, and I freaking love it. Those outer edges. I'm actually going to pick up the shade again with my fluffier brush and use this just to darken up the edges and kind of give them a little bit of a warm-up. So again, this is a nice palette, and I'm sure that the formula of this green one is the same as the rest because they all look like, you know, similar shades. So the formula is really, really nice. The blending matte shade blended out really nicely, and you can build up the pigment, as well as the green, so like the shimmery lid shades are easy to build up, very dramatic, very metallic, and very, very beautiful. Oh, I gotta do the lower lash line, honey. What are you doing? I'm gonna go in with the Sigma Short Shader E20. I'm gonna take the shade from the palette, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. Now, let me give you a little trick. So get a quick sweep of color on your lower lash line, and then what you should do if you want that really blown out, soft, smoky eye lower lash line look is put this on your lower lash line, close your eye, and then shove your brush up into your eyelashes. Look up while doing it and move your brush back and forth. It feels scary, it feels messy, but when you open your eye, you're like, oh my gosh. It's that soft, blown out lower lash line. Closing your eye allows you to shove that brush right in there without worrying about getting it in your eye, and therefore you get like 10 times better of a blend. I promise you, try this, and your lower lash line's gonna look 10 times better than it normally does. I promise. No. I don't think you can. Holy crap. No. And my sharpener is stuck on it because I just tried to sharpen plastic, ladies and gentlemen. World's best YouTuber right here. Let's try something different. I'm going to take the CeraVe pencil eyeliner in the shade Nude, and I'm going to do a nude inner waterline on the bottom. What do you guys think? Brightens up the eye a little bit. I really want to get the new Milk Makeup liner in Nude. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be uploading a video on Milk Makeup, like a dedicated Milk Makeup video, and they have this new eyeliner that's so good, but I want it in Nude now. Okay, anyways, I've been using, I know it's a BOXYCHARM video, let me get to the point. I'm showing you guys like other products. I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet liquid liner that came in the previous month's box, which I did use in a makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see it, I'll link it down below, but this liner is so good, so I just wanted to mention it. Relax. We'll get back to the box in a minute. What is that? How long was that there? I don't know. Okay, the next thing that we have is an eyeliner. It's in like pretty huge packaging. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and it's $24. So just with the eyeshadow blush palette and this liner, we're already at like $40, $50, $60 when we only pay $20 for the box. So this just says Elastic Stretch. I kind of like the way that sounds. 96% said their lashes looked stretched. That's like marketing that I would use. Like, stretch out your eyelashes. Here is the packaging of this one. It's a little interesting. Oh, it has a really good wand on it. So that's the one, nice and skinny. And I like the packaging because it's really big, so you get a lot of product. 0.3 ounces. I think that's a lot for, I mean, it looks like a lot. So I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm happy to get a mascara now because I stopped using eyelash extensions. So I'm back to my normal eyelashes, which means I can wear mascara again. I'm still going to wear false lashes, but another trick is that if you put your mascara on first, your false eyelashes go on 10 times easier because they stick right to your mascara, and it just makes them so much easier to put on. And I also like doing that because it's a little bit of a backup. So if you're going to have a long day out, if you put your mascara on first, then you know that if you have to rip off your eyelashes or they fall off later, you're still going to have mascara on your eyelashes underneath. It's a really dry mascara, and I like dry mascaras. It's not wet. It's kind of dry. Hopefully you guys know what I mean by a dry mascara. I prefer dry mascaras. I feel like they're easier to control. They transfer less. They smudge less. I don't think it's doing any particular degree of like lengthening, but it's not clumpy at all. Like if you guys could even see, I don't know how like close I would have to get, but like my eyelashes look perfect. Like they don't look crazy long or anything, but they're perfectly separated, perfectly black, no clumps. Like they just look good. So while I'm letting my lash dry, I'm just going to mention really quick for those of you who might be new, I always leave BOXYCHARM linked down below. It's $21 a month for a box like this with full size, like 5 full size beauty products every month. You can cancel anytime you want. They have some new Boxy Luxe thing that I haven't even dipped my toe into. Like I know nothing about it. If you guys want me to do some research, let me know. But I'm perfectly fine with a regular BOXYCHARM. I used to have a little bit of trouble applying them. I'm not really sure why, but once I started putting mascara on first, it made it 10 times easier, and now they just stick right to it. If you guys are not interested in me talking about non-BOXYCHARM products in BOXYCHARM, just let me know, and I'll stop doing it. I will top this with a little bit of mascara just to help blend in my lashes with the fake lashes and cover up any glue or eyeshadow that might have gotten on the lashes, making them less dark. So before we move on to the other products, I want to make sure that we don't forget to use this. I'm going in, sorry, the camera stopped recording, I don't know when, but I'm going in with Enchantment right here, and all of these shades are shimmery, so it's almost like they're highlight blushes. But when I put this one on, it just gives a very light sheen. Nothing crazy, but it's almost to the point where, like, there's no point in wearing it. You feel me? Oh, lots of fallout. Okay. That's nice. I need to put makeup on my neck. Holy crap. How do I do this? I hate putting makeup on my neck, you guys, but I'm getting better at doing it just so that I don't look crazy. And it does make you look 10 times better and 10 times less crazy, but I still hate doing it. What I'm going to do is go in with the new Carli Babel palette and take a mixture of this white shade and this gold shade. The white shade is absolutely necessary to make it pop. Boom. I know some of you guys hate the upper lip highlight. I'm going to touch a little bit in the inner corner as well. I like the inner lip highlight. I tone it down in a minute. It's not going to be that dramatic, don't worry. Tap my upper lip a little bit to make it more natural. Let's see what we got next. Next we've got the lip, and it's a Kat Von D lipstick. This is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Mine's in the shade Bow and Arrow, which I know is a really popular shade. This is $20, so the price of our box is super worth it this month. My friend just called me and it fucked my shit up. Okay. Because when someone calls me, it stops my voice recording. That's okay. I'm going to go in first with a Jouer Longwear Lip Liner in the shade Fawn. This is my go-to when I'm wearing a nude lip. Okay, I haven't had a Kat Von D liquid lipstick in forever, so I'm actually really excited. I know there's a bunch of drama and tea and whatever the hell is going on with her, but I like to stay out of all that crap. So I like the packaging. It's thin, it's fun, it's easy to hold. I know that might sound kind of weird, but I really like how sleek it is. Let's put it on. It feels like the wand might be a little too long, though, to have a good steady hand. Wow, that went on super easy, super pigmented, super creamy, not patchy at all. So let's see how it dries down. It's like a nice kind of medium natural nude shade. I'm going to have to put a lighter color in the center though because of my skin tone. It would just blend right into my face if I left it like this. You see how it just blends right in. It's a very, I mean, it's almost a little bit cool toned. Like a tiny, tiny bit. It's a nice color, honestly. I could get away with not putting a lighter shade in the inner corner, or in the middle, but I want to. But it dried down pretty much instantly. There's absolutely no there's no transfer at all on it. I'm going to be taking the Ulta Matte Lip Cream in the shade Bestie. This is your friend. You need to get this if you're like me and you like to do the whole lighter color in the center thing. This is your perfect shade. It goes with dark nude lipsticks, light nude lipsticks. It's perfect. And I feel like this. And then I will tap it out with my finger. Beautiful. Okay, what's next? What's next? It looks like we have a setting spray. Wrong. Wrong. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask for your hair. It's $16. Briogeo has good hair products though. We used to get these in BOXYCHARM a lot, but we haven't in a while. So this is a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So I obviously can't try this today, but I am happy that we got it. And then the other product is actually, where'd it go? The other product I can't use either. This is the Ahaha Mineral Hand Cream. Well, I guess I can use it. This is $10, so these products are a little bit cheaper. This is 40 milliliters, and this is a light but luxurious, rich hand cream. I guess we will try it because, like, why not? It smells like Old Lady, so there's that. It's just white and normal. Alright, you guys, that is it for our October BOXYCHARM. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And holy crap, was this box worth it? Absolutely. I think it's crazy how we got... I call this kind of stuff like the bad products, like when you get hair, nails, or skin, just because I love makeup. They're not bad products at all. But anyways, my point is, we still got a lipstick and eyeshadow palette and a mascara and 2 of these. So this was a really good box, in my opinion. BOXYCHARM is finally stepping up their game again. I'm super satisfied. I think the quality of every single product that I tried in this box was amazing. The only thing I was skeptical of was the highlighters and blushes in this were a little bit underwhelming, but some people really like that and prefer that, and I do on some certain days as well. So I'm really happy with this month's box. I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys to get BOXYCHARM. Give this video a thumbs up for me. If you're new, please hit subscribe. My gosh, I'd be happy to have you in the family, and I know everybody else would too. So I will be responding to you guys down below.